The journey continues. Everybody got some new gear. The baby literally looks like he's wearing the outfit from the meme, so I make sure to keep that on him. So, yeah, this should be pretty simple. The baby's using his new skill, Love and Peace. The baby on the journey. Hell yeah, dude. The quarrel's over. Okay, so me and him were fighting apparently, but I guess not anymore. Oh my god, it's the prince himself. God, keep me waiting. Huh? He's the son of a shepherd himself, Rolf.
You imbeciles! Take me to the princess. This is this, and don't you dare to waddle. And boys,
Freaking Rolf.
Princess Debby Bryan.
It is I, your beloved Prince Rolf. Holy shit.
You dog!
What are you doing with Princess Debby Bryan? This is the biggest crossover we've ever seen.
And who are you supposed to be? Oh, nobody special.
Only the princess fiance.
Princess Debby Bryan can marry a dork like you. I won't allow it. Look me in the eye and say that.
Rolf versus Carl Wheezer, the ultimate showdown. Stop. Stop it, you two. Oh, poor Debby Bryan. And Mr. Clean is here. On earth is all this commotion? Ooh. The baby sleeping like a baby. That's fucking hilarious. It's Carl.
Okay, deep breaths. Princess Debby Bryan.
Holy shit, General Debby Bryan! What the fuck is that, Monkey Kong?
You have the princess face back.
Does like no damage. What beauty!
Right.
To think the Darla would grace me with such a face.
Give it back.
His face is mine now, and I would never give it back. Dude, her fucking face, holy shit, she's so angry. You'll never get away with this. Holy shit, she just smacked the shit out of him. Oh no, risitas. Oh, thank you. You don't know how good it feels to have my face back. You've come through for us again, it seems. The least we can do is reward you. That's gonna be like $200. Never mind, that's still very little. Like 1,000, you have 1,000,000. Carl didn't do shit. Exactly, thank you, Carl. Well, we might see our way to allowing your relationship with the princess.
Oh, Debby Bryan.
Oh, Carl. Oh my god. Aw. Look at them. So happy. But seriously, that Prince Rolf, what a pathetic specimen he turned out to be.
Grr! Mama!
Oh. Oh no. Oh. No way! What happened to my friends? What happened to the baby? Oh no. Ugh. This is a huge plot twist, bro. Where on earth are we? Last thing I remember is the Dark Lord attacking us. The fiend must have dropped us down here. Hang on, where's Ruben? No sign of me anywhere. Yeah, I can take care of myself, guys. He'll come and find us, and I just know he will. Yep, you're right. You can trust in good old Ruben. I can, right? Yes, you can trust me, guys. Hello, I'm Rick, and I'm a scientist. I'm not sure all about this, but I'll try my hardest. Rick, join our party. We're now traveling with Rick Sanchez.
Where did it go? This is so odd, I cannot find it anywhere.
But it had to be around here. Dr. Simi? Oh, it's you. I heard about your exploits. Like saving a whole kingdom, for example. Excellent work. Yes, sir. By the way, you haven't seen a lamp around here, haven't you? No, sir. Let's see. Thing is, I lost quite an important lamp. Quite a dangerous lamp, indeed. If you lay your eyes upon it, please, whatever you do, don't touch it. So be careful now. Can't believe Orozco, Jocelyn, and fucking Debby died. Walking on sand is, like, really hard. Yeah, but look on the bright side. You'll be working those core muscles even more. That's not much of a bright side. Oh, okay, cool. It's Bryan, the Viper, aka the cat fur boy. Is this the right place? I am Bryan, and your name is Ruben. Great, looking forward to traveling with you. Bryan is now in our party, finally. Just there a minute there. Who has never-ending thirst for fun and games? Me, the one only quiz master, that's who. It's me, Skeet. You have the look of someone's very perceptive. Do you want to try my quiz? Who is it? Yes, might as well. Well, let's get the show on the road. Oh my god. Who is it? I have 3 questions for you. Let's begin. Oh my god. Who is Bryan? Bryan is this guy. The fuck was that? Was that the baby? Well done. Question number 2. Who is Rick? I feel like this is Rick. Damn, that's... Well, this Skeet fits so well, right? Okay, well done. Who is the baby? Fuck! Which was actually the baby? Okay, you have to actually guess. You did great! Congratulations, nerd! You beat me fair and square. 5 HP bananas. Be seeing ya! Some sodium chloride. This man enjoying a salad. Nom 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 nom. This is a perfectly medley of silver vegetables and meat. A symphony in my mouth. The meat juices are almost painfully flavorful. A vivid oasis in the desert of my mouth. Pardon? Why, I'm the roaming gourmet, Nicholas. The hostess house the cuisine moves the ecstasies of emotion. You said this before. I must share this bliss with you. We got some doner kebab. Ooh, that was good. What the fuck? Bon appetit. Catch me if you can. The fucking music. Hi, Princess Debby Ryan. Wait, that's Carl. Hello there. I am but a humble spirit, guardian of this great desert. I was minding my own business when an evil maid trapped me in this lamp. Oh. But you kindly let me out. I don't trust it. I don't know. I'll grant you any wish you want, your heart's desire. All you need to do is rub the lamp. Nearly there, keep going. Wow! The genie of the lug is Doug Dimento. Wahaha, free at last! That's all about my wish. Oh, what, you believe that? That was totally kidding. Well, I ain't kidding, the same thing. Anywho, it's been too long. Time to party. Yeah, haha, see ya. Welcome to the Meksdor Town, where we have Gumball and these guys. Welcome. I am the dancing guide Amigo. Shalaran. Welcome to Meksdor, Shalaran. Sing with me now, a 1 and a 2. Shalaran, Shalaran, Shalaran. We have rambling old man Egad. You there, lad. Hear an old man, will you? Here our lad was in a terrible plight. It was terrifying. The genie of the lamp awoke from his slumber. That so-and-so went by the name of Doug Dimmadome, on the Dimmadome. Ran amok stealing our own belongings, he did. But then all along came the great sage Dr. Simi. Sucked Dimmadome right back into his lamp. He will not see the light of day again for some time, I reckon. I just hope he learned his lesson. But never mind that. Ain't that amigo a darling? Shalaran, shalaran, shalaran. We have Darwin and Gumball. Sir, my father is very ill. Oh, this is your dad. Oops. COVID. Would you buy some MP candy from us? Only 500 G's? Hell no! Fuck that. Y'all trying to scalp me out of money? Mr. Flavio from Thousand Year Door. Well, I never. This is exceedingly strange. I should have been right on top of it. Alright, Flavio. We have Sammy and Esmer. I made Esmer totally... doesn't even look like her, but it's okay. Did you listen to a word I said? Oh, give me a break. I said this genie of the lamp's being a real nuisance, isn't he? Is he? It's none of my business. You just don't care about any of this, do you? Look, just stop getting on my case. Damn, y'all are fighting? Y'all chilling? Y'all good? Desert celebrity Elon Musk. Oh, the humanity. Oh, the genie of the lamp attacked us and made off with all my hard-earned gold. You look like the battle-hardened warriors. Could you get my gold back for me, please? Sure, Elon. But give me a Tesla.
It'll all be over. It'll all be over. It'll all